This is chicken roulade. I butterfry the chicken breast, I pour inside some prosciutto di Parma, spinach, mozzarella, then I roll it. I seal it with the Inkerman vacuum sealer. I like to use vacuum sealing because it's very convenient, and also I can have a very good flavor because I can concentrate everything inside the bag. Then I cook it in a Rational iCombi Pro using the steaming function. Then I put the chicken in the Aeronox and blast chill very quickly for preserve the characteristic of the chicken, but also because it's very convenient for the service. For prepare the potatoes, I core them and then I put in a vacuum bag with the butter and thyme, and then I seal it with the vacuum sealer. And then I steam them till the right texture. I like to steam my roulade because I can have a less aggressive cooking and have a more delicate texture. I like this plate because it's a concentration of different techniques, a good flavor, but also a touch of Italian, and that is the country I represent. To roast the pork belly, I use the Rational iCombi Pro. I put in an Aeronox blast chiller to quickly bring down the temperature of the pork belly. To make my pork tendon chip, I use the Rational iCombi Pro at the dehydratation function. I puff it in the oil. Have this equipment in my kitchen make my life very easier. I can save time, I can increase the quality of my food, but also the safety of it.